Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to block any website on Firefox. Step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video. So without being said, let's get started. But before we dive deep in this tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this you'll be notified. So without being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. You have to click on this three stroke right here, and this is pump up. Then you have to come to add-ons and themes. Then the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you type in block website. All right, so there are so much results for blocking a website plugin that you can use on this particular browser. So you can choose any one of your choice. So right here, I'm going to select on the first one right here, which is block website. So this is a customizable password protected website blocker and redirector. So I'm going to click on that. So you can see the review right here. About 243 give 5-star review. About 38 people give 4-star review. About 3 people give 17. About 17 people give 3-star review, and the rest give 2-star review. So I have to come around right here and click on add to Firefox. Then you come to the top right here. Make sure you click on add. Then click on OK. Alright, so the extension has been successfully added to the Firefox. So let's see how we can block a website with this particular extension. So let me create a new tab, and right here I will make sure I go to Netherlands.com. Alright, so for you to block this particular website, what you need to do is to come to the top right here. After you have opened the site, come to the extension right here and make sure you tap on here. Then this is going to pump up. So it's asking you that you want to block Netherlands.com. Just click on OK. Boom. It's as simple as that. You can see the website has been blocked. So this is how you can block any website URL using Firefox extension. I hope you got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.